Hello, everyone. Welcome to Coca English. How are you today? I hope you're happy and ready to learn English.
Hi, friends. Yes, Coca English is the best place for you to learn English words, one word at a time. It's easy, fun, and perfect for A1 and A2 learners.
I'm Layla, your female host. I love teaching English, drinking tea, and watching cute cat videos. What about you, Sam?
I'm Sam, the male host here. I enjoy playing sports, cooking simple food, and talking with our listeners. We're so glad you're here with us today.
Today, we have a great word to learn. It's a common word, and you'll use it every day. At school, at work, or when talking with friends. Do you want to guess what it is?
Hint: it's a noun, a thing. When you tell someone about a story or a plan, you can talk about small parts of it. That's this word.
Yes. Today's word is detail. Pronounce detail. Let's say it together. Detail. D-E-T-A-I-L. Detail.
Good job. Now, what does detail mean? A detail is a small or specific part of something bigger. For example, if you tell a story about your trip, the small parts like "I ate pizza" or "the hotel was blue" are details.
Let's make it simpler. Think of a cake. The cake is the big thing. The small parts, like the chocolate on top, the sugar, or the fruit, are details. Does that make sense?
Yes. Another example, your friend asks about your weekend. You say, "I went to the park. I walked for 30 minutes, saw birds, and ate an ice cream." The "walked for 30 minutes, saw birds, and ate an ice cream" are details of your weekend.
Perfect, Sam. Now let's learn how to use detail in sentences. It's easy. We often use it with simple verbs like tell, give, ask about, or notice.
First sentence is, "Can you tell me the details of your party?" Meaning, tell me the small parts. When is it? Where is it? Who will come?
Second sentence. She gave me all the details about her new job. She told me small parts, her office, her hours, her new friends at work.
Third sentence is, "I didn't notice the small details in the picture. The picture had small parts, but I didn't see them."
Let's practice more. My teacher asked for more details in my homework. The teacher wanted small, specific parts in my work.
He loves to talk about details of his favorite movie. He talks about small parts like the actors, the scenes, the music.
See? It's not hard. Now, let's think about when we use detail in daily life. Do you plan a trip? You need details. The time of the train, the name of the hotel, the places to visit.
Yes, or when you buy a new phone, you look at the details, the color, the size, the price. These are all small parts that help you decide.
Let's do a quick game. I'll say a big thing and you think of the details. Ready? Big thing, a birthday present.
Details: the color of the present, the price, who it's for, what's inside. See, those are all details.
Great. Another big thing, a meal at a restaurant. Details? The food you ate, the drink you had, the price, the time you went.
Perfect. You're getting it. Now let's use detail in negative sentences. Easy for A2 learners. I don't know the details of the meeting. I don't know the small parts.
She doesn't like to talk about details. She prefers big, simple things, not small parts.
And questions. What are the details of your trip? Did you ask for details? So simple, right?
Let's recap. Detail is a noun. It means a small part of something bigger. We use it with verbs like tell, give, ask about, or notice.
Let's say some sentences again, slowly. You can repeat after us. Tell me the details. Repeat. Tell me the details.
I need more details. Repeat. I need more details.
He talked about the details. Repeat. He talked about the details.
Good work. Now you know how to use detail. It's a useful word. You'll hear it and use it many times.
Now we have a task for you. After this video, go to the comments. Can you make a sentence with detail? It can be simple. We don't need perfect sentences, just your try.
Yes. For example, I told my friend the details of my weekend. Or, she asked for details about the party. Your turn.
Don't be shy. We love reading your comments. Every sentence you write helps you learn better.
Thank you for watching Coca English today. We hope you enjoyed learning detail. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Yes, come back next time for another easy and fun English word. Bye, everyone.
Bye! And don't forget to comment your sentence with detail.